guys, Nathan and Steve here. Warren has given us, well, winches for one thing, and recovery kits. And this kit they gave us so that we could raise funds for the trip, for video production. So we want to shout out to Warren for being amazing. They're super cool, sending us winches and this stuff here. And so we're going to do an open box.
Let's check it out.
Let's open up our SOG knife.
The platform that we're going to use to host the drawing is called rallyup.com. And for every $10, you'll receive 10 entries, so an entry per dollar.
So we're opening up Steve's because we'll never be able to get it back in the backpack the way it was at the start. An idea they had when you're winching, you need something to hang on the strap. If you don't have one of those safety weighted things, you can hang this backpack. Let's put this on Steve first. That'll be awesome. Let's see here. Just check to see how this works.
Yeah.
Turn around, Steve.
It's actually pretty comfy.
We should just leave Steve backwards and I'll just unpack it. No, just
I look better from this side anyways.
Let's dig into this. An empty space.
That comes with the pack.
Let's open up the side one, see what's in here. Oh, here we go. Here's the goodies. Gloves. Make sure they're not Asian size, like made in America size, because last time we got Smittybilt
gloves. Womp womp. Those are comfy.
All right, good.
Sweet.
Good, okay.
Is there anything that we know
What
how
it
to
is?
use?
No, we don't. By the way, we don't know how to use any of this shit. Oh, each D-ring has its own little pocket.
There's a lot of space to hide contraband in this. So this kit contains 2 Epic Shekels,
Oh, everything says Epic at the start. It's
Epic.
just a Warren thing.
an Epic Snatch Block,
Epic snatch block right here.
Epic Tree Strap with forged E-coated rings. That thing is heavy duty. Yes.
Yes.
The Premium Recovery Strap. Bada bang.
Premium recovery strap. I'm not gonna unroll that for you.
All with a sweet bag. At very least, you can keep a lot of beer in here too.
There you go. Get your drawing
ticket.
On what website?
Rallyup.com. We'll put a link somewhere around here.
Where should we put it? We should decide on where we're gonna put it. We're gonna put it up in this corner, in this corner, in that corner, or that corner. You want to pick a corner? That corner, okay. We're doing this, like we said, to try to raise money for the video production. It's expensive. I wreck drones a lot. Also, for every $10 donated to anything that we have going on, we'll plant a tree to help offset your carbon emissions.
Thank you for your support, and yeah, keep watching. And you know, it's about to get real fun here in May.
Yeah. We're gonna
Fun
be
or
busy.
funny? I don't know.
Okay, see you guys next time.